when it comes to organic content, if you have questions, you can ask me, but also ask Google. Just a reminder, like Google has all the answers. YouTube has all the best tips and tricks right on there. And you can refine your search by time. So if you're having a question on like, all right, I want to create an IG reel, don't really know how to do it, go on Google, search in your question, and then refine by date. So something that was posted within the year or within the month. So you can do that on YouTube as well. So you're going to get something up to date because these platforms change all the time, okay? Some quick, easy editors. iMovie's right on your phone. There's an app called Clips on your iPhone. It's built in, you already have it. And then CapCut is a great one. Also, Photo Leap, Video Leap are some great free editors that I recommend if you're gonna try to DIY that video content or you wanna edit some photos or whatever it might be. That's a great couple tools for you.
And honestly, they're all very user-friendly.
Yeah.
It's like you don't need prior editing experience, anything. Like you can download these and get started like today.